morning, people. Another new fresh day. Getting closer, ever so close to Bangladesh. Guess what I've just received in the post. Finally here. It is the V-Rig TP21. It's the V-Rig. It's the V-Rig. We could just... I think that is a meter, probably 1200, but including this handle, I think it's 1.5. That's about a meter. So yeah, at 1.5. Woo! It's got the thread already on there for any camera to just screw on. And then look at this bit. There's a button right there. If you press that button, it releases. Meant to be anyway. Yeah, there we go. It's released it. I've got a stand. Put that there. It's not too bad. A little bit light, but take my tripod off. And you screw this one on. You might lose me. You might lose me. She's screwed. Had to whack the jumper on because it's too cold out there. I need to go make a couple of keys. Don't know which store I'm going to try, but I need to make a couple of front door keys for me and my wife. And it looks like a good old day today. So let's have a look at the day. What's going on, peeps? I've got everything ready. I've got my wife on at the top of the, looking at the Velux window, waiting for the drone to go up. I'm going to try to get it as close as I can. Coming! These are a couple of the clips that I recorded with the drone. Okay. The drone's in the air now, right next to the Velux window. Look how excited my little boy is. I don't think he's ever seen a drone before, so hence why he's so excited. Don't blame him. Wife is recording the drone, or I think she's on the phone to back home Bangladesh, showing her mumsy or her sister my new drone. So yeah, look at the picture quality on this thing. Isn't it amazing? Wow. We've got a better day today, so now hence why we've got the drone up there. We're going to take it up, see the views, see the sight, see the horizon. I don't even know what I'm going to see actually, so let's take it up, shall we? Here we go. Up, up, up we go. As you can see, the nice sky, clouds everywhere. Winter, what can you say? To be fair, it's not a bad weather for a winter day. Anyway, look at that. Amazing, isn't it? Seeing footages from a drone. Just, you know, different view, obviously, unless you're in an aeroplane and you're looking down, but you're still not going to see this close up, really, are you? So I'm so glad I got the drone here. We get more footages as we go along for my channel. Give me some ideas as well. You know, if you want me to record something, fly over someplace, write it down on the comments below, and at least I can see if it's possible or if I can get around to doing it. Slowly gonna make my way down. Yeah, the drone is jolting because the reason why I've got it on normal mode, I'm recording on normal mode, and what I should have done is record it on cinematic mode. Then I would have had smooth as anything recording. No jittering, juttering, no stuttering, no random movements. I'm going to have to get the drone out much more, get a few more clips. I can see my window still open from my Velox, from the loft. Little boy must be waiting for the drone to come back down again. That was a short flight, people, but it was my first time flying it, so I didn't want nothing going wrong. So I got used to the controls, the joystick or the remote control, whatever you want to call it. Look at my little boy, still there. Anyway, peeps, I hope you enjoyed that. We'll grab some more next time. Quite amazing, wasn't it? Flew the drone. I couldn't get as many good shots with the Osmo because I forgot that it was just on facial tracking, and then it lost me, and then it just sat there in one position. Oh, I got itchy foot. I'm looking at this. I totally forgot about the camera, and I was too busy flying the drone. As you would. Little son loved it. I went right to the Velox window, and he's absolutely excited. What's going on, peeps? Just talking to some peeps back in Bangladesh. Got them on video call. Yeah. Got him on video call. It's like, I don't know what the time is. It's about One bajer khoto time bajer kita one tumra 8 o'clock in the evening up there. Hello khote, camera on. Hello. Fresh dash. I'll see you soon, my brother. Right, I've got a task on my hand. I'm gonna transfer some of my gear into the new van, get rid of some of the old rubbish and anything I don't need. Anything that I haven't been using, I'll put it back in the garage. So at the moment, what I have in my new van is a bit of random things from the recent jobs. So my screw box, super glue and activator, some wipes after a bit of silicone job, bit of tile adhesive, bit of easy fill, and a black polythene, and some Gorilla tubs over there. This shelf needs to go because we're taking all our luggages. Everyone that's going Bangladesh, we're getting all our luggages in here. So I need to take all that shelving off, and when I come back, I'm gonna absolutely dress it as best as I can. So yeah, let's go. I'm just gonna reverse the van back, my old van. Let's see what shit we got in here. We've got enough space. Yeah, let's give ourselves a little bit of space. Go. Woo! Let's tap on that and try to get the auto track, active track, sorry. I've been saying it wrong all this time. Right, easy fill. These two things, they could go back in the garage. And the buckets. I should really get into some dirty clothes, but that's what it is. My days. Alright, doesn't look too bad. Ram-packed. This shelf is empty because I had all the gutter clips and everything from the roofing jobs I do with the subcontractor. Hence RJ Roofing. But yeah. Right, let's get transferring. Obviously roofing is a whole different ball game kind of. So I've been learning the ins and outs. I've got the good grips of it, man, and I've got myself in a good position where I've been just happy to do subcontracting for the whole year for them, which is decent, because being a sole trader, it could get quite stressful thinking about the next job, advertising, as well as trying to get the customers in, and yeah, giving out quotes, not getting them, getting them, sorting out materials, all of that was just, it's quite a bit of a headache. I can go in the garage. One little knee pad, some gardening cushion. Oh, I'm running out of daylight. Seriously, I have too many saws here. No need for this many. The lads will just have to get their own. Or do I leave a few extra? And now I'm going to have to put them away. They're my go-to hand tools. I've got chisels in there, mallet, hammer, a rubber one, more grips, chisel, well, out of date one, a little crowbar, drill bits, more crowbars, packers, mixer, whatever you want to call that, it's not coming in my head, square. Come check out my DeWalt tools. So yeah, I'm a DeWalt fan. No Makita for me, whereas Tommy and all that, most of the lads that work, they all Makita, but I'm Diwali, innit? You know what I mean? I'm Devalti, that's what I call it, Devalti. I've got my radio there. My rip saw, which recently bought a new one, brushless, got my brushless multi-tool, everything in this box that I need is there, got all my batteries there ready to be charged and put away. So yeah, and then I've got, oh mate, this bag's got my grinder and my impact driver. Got these timbers that I got out of the van. I always keep them because I know I'll use them. Show you right now, look. Any rustic items I'll make out of these. And then these are 4x2s. And some battens. And some hardwood. And I've got the other ones I just put over there. I don't feel like I got much done, but I cleared out all the expensive stuff and stuff that I'll really need away, locked and safe, and anything else that's little things that I could replace easily, then I've left them in the van. I've got a bit of rubbish that I've put in my old van that I could go and get rid of at the tip. I still need to clear out the new van. There's little bits and bobs that's left from my boss. So basically, I'll show you that on another video. We'll see what interesting things we end up finding. My battery's all charging at the moment. I'll just show you that now. Sorry for the shaky video. So I've got all my 5 amps and 4 amps charging. Once charged, get that off, put it in another 5 amp on the go. I did have another charger, but I don't know where that is, but this is the most handiest one. Oh, what a time saver. And then I've got these ones, this one's charged, and I've got these ones to still charge. 2 4 amps and 3 little 1.5 amps. I bought the little cheap little radio. Soon I will buy the big black box one that you could clip all your other ones together. It's that time again. Time to eat dinner. I'm starving. What we got today? Tasty. Look at this. Turning it around like a DJD, like a vinyl. So, gonna munch this up. I'll catch you guys soon. Oh. Me and Mum just sitting at the table. I just realised, I'll show you what else is on the table. This is fish. Fried fish. Look What's that? Everything is fish. Sorry for the abrupt ending, people. It's because of all the fish everywhere. It just got to me, so I just had to stop it there and there. So on that note, I just want to say, all right, Janine, sleep well, and I'll see you on the next one.